launch that one. What?
Just send it.
They're gonna attack us.
Murder bird.
Murder birds.
You got it.
Oh.
You got it. Now do your pivot. There you go.
Oh, beautiful.
Stupid skill.
It's fine. You know, if your legs touch the ground, that wouldn't be so hard.
You got it.
Pure luck.
That was good, man. Good job.
Yeah, fucking freaking out. I hit my pegs.
I heard it.
Oh.
Pivot turn. There it is.
This is a cheater pivot turn. We should point your bike that way.
Yeah, drop it over there.
Wish I had longer legs.
This is in my head.
I know.
Why can't I go that way?
No, because it's not cool.
This would be like, this would be so cool though when you do it. And you can totally do it so easy. You close your eyes, you won't know what you're doing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd rather you close your eyes and look down.
Yeah.
Get the front.
Stand up and look where you want to go, man.
Oh.
I don't know how he had it, but he had it.
I'm not really sure how I ended up here.
It was super easy.
And we don't know how you ended up.
All right, which way is the line now? Through that little V right there?
Dude.
Up is up, bitches.
Up is up. I fucking think my throttle got
that way.
Hell yeah! Woo! Hell yeah! I thought that front tire was coming through my chest.
Sorry.
All right, man, you got it. Same thing. Whew. Oh, you almost made it. That was good, dude.
More than you asked, right? Yeah,
Your boy saved you.
Thank you.
Heck yeah, man. Good job. Oh, 4-stroke. Here we go.
Where do you want to go? Nice.
Woo.
I thought so too.
Those rocks came in handy. Huh. Good job, man.
I took off the throttle at like halfway up, and I thought it'd be good to catch my
Yeah,
breath
if you'd
for a
have stayed
second.
on just a little bit longer, you'd have made it up.
Oh, you did the same thing as me? No!
Heavy bike, I can't.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
My leg is.
Oh, that's crap. Oh, sorry. You're bored your ass.
Damn it, I had that.
You did. Your front wheel lofted perfectly over that gap.
Should I just hit it? I'm doing the Will. Will's not here.
Poor Will. He gets to make fun of him when he's not here. Stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on. Woo! That's been the best run so far.
Wasn't the prettiest.
Not as clean as...
There you go.
Ran over my.
Woo!
Hold on.
Okay, it's in the crowd.
You're good, man.
He says, I'm nervous, and then just like makes it look easy.
Go, 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 go.
Nope.
Nope.
Hey, at least the tree got you.
Yeah, I figured.
You made it
I'm doing
halfway.
yoga around the tree. I'll test that.
Hey, right, you're gonna have to pick the front tire up, and I'll push it from the back. If you're just spinning. Careful, careful. Watch that drop.
Yeah, you should. He don't need that. Yeah, I think you can.
There you go. I don't have the legs either.
Get up there.
Okay.